What is acupuncture? Acupuncture is a form of medicine that started centuries ago that involves the insertion of sterile, one-time use only needles into various points along the body, all geared to elicit a specific response. To give an example, one of my favorite examples that I like to use is a point on the leg that is used to treat eye conditions. And when they finally did a brain imaging study and inserted that needle into that point, they saw the visual cortex of the brain light up. So that is essentially what you're doing with acupuncture. You are sitting down with a patient, you are looking to see what it is that they need and require from a treatment to help balance body, mind, spirit, and then are selecting points that'll best fit that person's needs to help achieve that balance. And that's the nice thing about acupuncture as well, is that it is holistic and it treats mind, body, spirit and never separates, because as anybody who has been a sufferer of anything chronic can probably attest that, you know, if it's chronic pain, after a while that chronic pain becomes something that affects them mentally or emotionally. And acupuncture looks at that and addresses that fact that, you know, this emotional component to this pain is something that has to be addressed just as much as the pain itself. Once you start experiencing the acupuncture, you realize too that it's really not a painful thing to go through. You'll experience that initial pinprick, of course, with the needle insertion. But once the needle's inserted, you know, you might feel a warmth that kind of floods to the area. You might feel heaviness. There can be itching that's involved, which is, of course, that immune response, that histamine response to area in the skin. And then if you might get a little achiness or soreness, those are all very normal responses to having a needle inserted into the body. We always look for and want feedback, of course, on, you know, is there any burning sensations? Is there any sharp pains? And then we adjust the needle to make sure that it's comfortable so that you can relax during your session, because that is also one of the things that you gain is that relaxation and that ability to essentially meditate and allow your body to do the work that it knows how to do and just needs a little bit of coaxing in order to do it.